Hi there, I'm Beth Fahey, EOS Implementer and Great Boss Workshop Facilitator. Earlier this week, I led a private Great Boss Workshop for a company that's been running on EOS for several years. What struck me was their unwavering dedication to mastering leadership, management, and accountability, or as we call it, LMA. While our EOS quarterly sessions touch on LMA, this company was determined to delve deeper into honing their leadership skills. The energy in the room was electric. Participants were genuinely eager for the training because mastering LMA isn't easy. It's a complex journey, more art than science. As we explored communication strategies, facilitation techniques, and how they tied into the EOS tools, well, you could see light bulbs going off and a sense of relief spreading throughout the room. By the workshop's end, leaders were excited and ready to implement their newfound skills. Witnessing this transformation reaffirmed my passion for these workshops. They offer hope for the future. Imagine if every organization approached leadership development with such dedication. The impact would be profound. For upcoming Great Boss Workshop dates, click the link below. Please take the time to invest in yourself and your leaders.